Today, cleaning is considered the most important step in instrument reprocessing. Whether an item is being reprocessed manually, in an ultrasonic, or in an automated washer, chemical detergent is an important factor for successfully removing any debris on the item's surface. Why is cleaning so important? Mainly because if cleaning is not completed, effective sterilization cannot be done properly. The main purpose of cleaning is to remove the gross debris and the biological matter. What items need to be cleaned? Medical devices, such as surgical instruments that are reused on patients, must be thoroughly and properly cleaned. These devices can include everything from anesthetic hoses and breathing masks to orthopedic instruments, laparoscopes and scissors, as well as highly complex instruments such as flexible endoscopes and robotic instruments. Which factors need to be verified in the cleaning process? The Sinner Circle concept developed by Dr. Herbert Sinner illustrates the basic principles of the optimized cleaning process. The 4 key factors include time, action, chemistry, and temperature, or TACT. Altering any of these factors must be compensated with an adjustment to the other component in order to maintain the same level of cleaning. Water quality is also a key factor for chemistry to be successful and saving costs. By maintaining these 4 critical parameters, including water quality, assurance is provided that the medical device is cleaned and made safe to handle. By doing this, it minimizes the risk for errors and thereby the risk for spreading infections in the healthcare environment. How can this essential step be optimized by Getinge? Across the globe, healthcare facilities are driven by standards, policies, and procedures, which recommend daily monitoring to verify the quality and efficacy of the process and to ensure that patient safety standards remain intact throughout the process. The range of Getinge Clean products are easy to use, and the colors and symbols on them make it easy to learn when and where to use them.